Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Bitget transaction history. All right, it's actually pretty easy. So first up, what you're going to do is just go ahead over to bitget.com. And then once you're in here on their website, well, you can just go ahead over to this icon right here that resembles a file and a clock. Okay, just hover your mouse onto it and you can go ahead and check which transaction type. Okay, it could be spot, margin, futures, on-chain orders, okay, or OTC records, conversion history, crypto loans, earn history, and voucher history. For example, we have here futures. So just click on it, wait for it to fully load, and then once it loads, you can go ahead over to the order history, position history, okay, order history, or even the transaction. Okay, click on transactions, and now you go ahead and navigate to these tabs. Okay, for example, USDM futures demo or straight up USDCM futures right here. And by the way, you could also filter it out. Okay, should it be all coins or just USDC? Types right here, all, or it could be just transferred from spot account or transfer to spot account, open long, open short, it's up to you. Would it be the last 7 days or last 3 months? Okay, and the date range here as well. All right, let's say last year, December 1 to this year's February 2. Okay, you will have the results right here. If you want to as well, you go ahead and download it. Okay, download custom time range right here or all the time. Okay, all of your transactions. Just basically select the trading pair, the type, and generate. Okay. When you click on generate, just wait for a notification right here at the top right. There will be a download button. Also, you can go ahead and check your email. And that is how you check your Bitget transaction history. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.